Hi, Tom here. In this short Circle Line Optical video, I'll show you one way to add depth to your cube drawings using one of the simplest techniques there is, overlapping shapes. The first step is to draw a small cube in the center of your page. Start by drawing a simple diamond shape. And then draw 3 vertical lines going downwards. And then draw 2 more lines at the base of the cube, which are the same angle as the 2 baselines of the original diamond shape that we drew at the beginning. So now we have a simple 3D cube. Next, we can repeat this same technique and draw a second, slightly larger cube on the left. But make sure that the new diamond that you draw is above the left side of the first diamond so that they will overlap. Then, as you draw the 3 vertical lines going down, the vertical line on the top right will stop behind the original first cube that we drew. Then draw the 2 baselines of the new cube, the same angle as the baselines of the original diamond at the top. Now we have 2 cubes that seem to overlap and create a sense of space between the 2 cubes, so the 3D quality is increased by the simple process of overlapping. Next, we can draw a larger 3D cube behind both the small cubes that we've just drawn, using the same technique of drawing a diamond shape first. When we look at 2 shapes that overlap in a drawing, our eyes will naturally read that overlap as a spatial depth in the flat image. It is one of the easiest ways to turn a flat drawing into a believable 3D space, to overlap shapes. In this drawing, we have the larger cube in the background, and this visually pushes the 2 smaller cubes into the foreground, the front of the drawing. You could add some simple shading to emphasize the 3D quality of the image. So now there are 3 techniques that we have used in this simple drawing to create the illusion of depth. 3D shapes, overlapping shapes, and shading. 3 quick ways to add depth to a simple drawing. In the next drawing tip, I will show you one way to use tonal values in a drawing to create depth. Please subscribe to more drawing tips. I post a new drawing each week. If you'd like to learn more, please visit circlelineartschool.com for full details of my online drawing courses for beginners.